RokRez Metallic, the do-it-yourself floor coating kit. Create amazing, high-gloss, 3D-looking floors. Features a simple 3-step application process and contains 20% more material. This easy, all-in-one kit comes in 7 colors and is great for garages and interior spaces and covers 125 square feet. The complete all-in-one kit includes everything you need and allows you to work right from the bucket to create stunning 3-dimensional metallic floors. It is essential to clean your concrete surface before applying RokRez epoxy. Sweep the floor of dirt and debris before beginning. Add 1 packet of RokRez concentrated cleaner to 2 gallons of water. Mix until the concentrated cleaner is fully dissolved. Pour the concentrated cleaner solution and vigorously scrub with a stiff bristle brush to loosen dirt and dust. Once the entire floor is cleaned, thoroughly rinse and squeegee the entire floor to remove any concentrated cleaner. Allow the floor to dry completely for 24 hours. If applying to a garage floor, use duct tape on the inside of the garage door track seam to ensure the garage door does not stick to the epoxy when coated. Also, if necessary, apply masking tape around wall edges to frame in the entire floor. If there are cracks on the floor, use RokRez Concrete Crack Filler to patch any cracks or pits in the concrete. Now, pour the RokRez Metallic Base Pouch into the RokRez Metallic Kit Bucket. Next, pour the entire jar of RokRez Metallic Additive, a little at a time, into the kit bucket and mix thoroughly with the included paddle mixer. At this time, pour the RokRez Metallic Activator Pouch and mix using the paddle mixer for 3 minutes. Mix thoroughly until there are no clumps. Now, the RokRez Metallic Floor Coating Kit is ready for application. Use the 3-inch paintbrush to paint around the edges close to the walls, about 3 or 4 inches wide. Working in 4-foot by 4-foot sections, starting from the back of the garage or the farthest area from the garage door, pour the mixed RokRez coating from the kit bucket into thin 2-inch ribbons onto the floor. Using the supplied 9-inch roller cover, roll the poured epoxy in an N-shaped pattern to evenly distribute the coating over the 4-foot by 4-foot section. Be sure to backroll at least 3 to 4 times to evenly distribute the coating. Once this section set has been coated with an even layer of RokRez Metallic epoxy, move the roller in a swirling pattern to create a 3-dimensional appearance through the entire section set. Repeat all of the above steps for the remaining 4-foot by 4-foot sections until the floor is completely coated.